Good morning! Such a beautiful morning today. We are going for a Sunday walk here in the New Forest. We moved next to the New Forest like 4 years ago, and it's crazy that for that long we haven't been to these amazing places that is literally right next to us. And we've been saying last week, Steven and I, that we should be doing more walks around here, and you know, he lived here all his life, so it's nice for me to see all these amazing places. And now we're gonna go for a walk. We're meeting his family, and then
only 6 maximum.
Are we 6 in total?
Yes.
We are more than 6.
7 including you.
Yeah, we'll be like 6.5. Yeah, and we will enjoy the walk. This is where we are now.
Beauty.
It's Bewley. Look at the swan there, so cute. Okay, Aliyah was sleeping. I think she just woke up. Let's have a look. Oh, good morning. Good morning, Pepe. Should we take your milk and then go for a walk? She's loving the view on top. She's looking at the trees. So it's a good distraction for her to drink the milk. Ooh,
Where is it?
look at your Charlie face. Steven is getting ready with the courier. Right, I've got my wellies on. Steven is wearing his wellies. We're all on wellies. Are we excited for a walk? Is Aliyah excited? Look at the pompons. Aliyah!
Can't see.
And the others are here. These two are enjoying the water. Cool. Ah! Thanks, Ruth.
Right, go on then. Walk nicely. Do any holes. Oh!
Yeah, be careful.
I did it!
Now you, babes. Good that we brought the wellies.
We used to play in this stream with our fishing.
Really? Were there any fish?
Did we ever used to catch any fish?
Say hi. Hi. Yeah.
Yeah, look at Aliyah. Go and see your little cousin.
Does she have?
Do you want to have a
What
close
colour
up?
eyes does she have?
Is this a fairy door? No.
Oh. She got
Very enjoyable.
Wow, I feel like I'm in Game of Thrones. Cool.
Drop it.
You hit it in the face.
I can't kick the ball anymore.
That was rubbish, babe. Wow, the sky looks really clear. So nice.
Go on too. Just on that bit. That's a perfect little seat there.
Fall off. Wow. Very high up.
Wow.
Careful.
Easy there, boy.
She's such an actress. What happened? It's okay. Can you get up?
Are you stuck?
What's the matter, darling?
Wow, nice outfit.
Wow.
A bit muddy.
We should have just gone one step further and put you in white.
Go up there and then don't say anything and see if the girls realise.
I'm gonna come down.
Carefully. Hey, be careful, don't slip with your...
Right, Amy, jump down. We'll catch you.
Now Kelly's up there.
Kelly, call Rudy.
Rude!
Are we lost then?
I think so.
Lost in the forest.
That's what we did.
This is what I call an adventure.
That's fine, we're going. We need to head that way. We need to head up and left.
Okay, let's see if we're gonna make it. Is that how you clean your boots? We just woke up. Did you enjoy the walk? Did you enjoy it? Okay, we just finished our walk. We've got Ali already strapped at the back. We need to change our shoes and go back home. Did you enjoy it?
I loved it.
What happened to your dress?
Talk really loudly. Tell Auntie me what happened to her dress. Oh, it got muddy.
Oh, you got muddy. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye, girlies. Bye. Wiggle, wiggle. All right, see you next week. Bye. So we came back from our walk from the forest like 2 hours ago, and she just woke up. We just got, guess what? The Ikea armrest. So I can't believe it. Finally, in the end it took, I think, 2 or 3 weeks since we got the actual couch, the unfinished couch. So now they're here and we can finally have a proper couch. Are we gonna set it up now?
Yeah, I want to sit on it.
Yes, yes, yes. We enjoyed it in the end. We sat on it a lot, even being like this.
One at a time because your legs are so
Yeah.
bent.
There it is. Wow, it looks massive, but I'm loving it. Now I need to organize all this mess. Look at this. So it's time to make this room nice. Okay, my hair is a mess. Finished organizing. I need to steam the bottom of the couch. I'm not really happy about that wrinkly bit. I fluffed up these chairs, which they're not gonna get touched now unless we get visitors. So you're happy with it then?
Not happy with the service provided by Ikea, however happy at the final result. It's a pretty decent couch for a pretty decent price. It's a lot cheaper than the one that used to be here.
I know. Does it match properly, right?
I'll have to I'll have to see when there's football on how comfortable it really is.
That's the only way, not when we watch a movie.
Or do something else.
Okay, so we need to go shopping, babe.
For what?
Well, we need cushions and we need stuff to put in there. I'm really happy. So this is finally the couch arriving to the house after 3 weeks. I don't see tummy time in there. She's resting.
Up you get, up you get. Come on. Rah, 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 rah. Push your legs, push your legs, push your legs.
We just received our shopping delivery And you know what should be our next project, babe? And I'm hoping you can help me.
Buying avocado.
Oh, by the way, those are the famous baking trays that I wanted to get when I went to Home Sense, but in the end I didn't have, so we just got them from Sainsbury's. That's perfect, no?
Yeah.
So the next project, I don't know if you want to help me, maybe tomorrow.
Probably not.
Are you gonna stop making noises?
Is
Clean the fridge. Like we need to empty everything and clean it properly.
why didn't we do it before we had all the shopping delivered?
Because we were busy. I guess I'm gonna have to do it on my own.
That's something that we can get the cleaner to do.
No. Don't know, fridge is really personal.
Oh yeah, and the toilet isn't.
I'm just gonna finish the video here. I'll probably start a new one maybe tomorrow, the following day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Get you so red. Bye. Bye.